Your name may not appear down here in this world's Hall of Fame. In fact, you may be so unknown that no one knows your name. The Oscars and the praise of men may never come your way. But don't forget, God has rewards that He'll hand out someday. This crowd on earth, they will soon forget when you're not at the top. They will cheer like mad until you fall, and then their praise will stop, not God. He never does forget. And in His Hall of Fame, by just believing on His Son, forever there's your name. I tell you, friend, I wouldn't trade my name, however small, that's written there beyond the stars in that celestial hall, for all the famous names on earth, or the glory that they share. I'd rather be an unknown here and have my name up there. Wow.
Sa iyong biyaya, ako ay namamanga. Sa iyong kalinga, panganib ay di banta. Sa pag-ibig mo, palaging ligtas ang puso. Mangusap ka, lingkod mo'y nakikinig. Sa ingay man, bulong mo'y natatangi. Pag-asa ikaw, sa'yo puso ko'y tatahan. Sandigan ng puso ko ay nahanap sa'yo.